there's these two cabinets, this one. These are lights inside here. There's some motors and stuff like that. A paint sprayer, not sure if it works. So, motor bag. A few more motors and machine parts.
What's in this box? Blades or something?
Yeah, that's all. Saw blades, 2 boxes full of used saw blades. Well, I don't know. Spinning that round that side. And over here, there is a lot of metal in the bottom of this box.
A lot of bells.
I can't really get to it. There is, yeah, ballasts, transformers, and some more tools and stuff like that.
The other cabinet.
There's also that cabinet here, and the cabinet over there.
And there might be more stuff as well.
Maybe more. So let me just stand back here so you can see. That's the pile. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 cabinets, and there's probably still a little bit more to be added.